Hello Internet, Dave here, and today we're going to be looking at another Zen quote. Once again, the name of this person will be in the description. Alright, here we go. Do not follow the ideas of others, but learn to listen to the voice within yourself. Your body and mind will become clear, and you will realize the unity of all things. Okay, once again. Do not follow the ideas of others, but learn to listen to the voice within yourself. Your body and mind will become clear, and you will realize the unity of all things. Right, what is this person trying to express? Is this their view on a certain thing? Is this an answer to a question? This is what we have got to look at. Is it a general statement that can be used for everything, or is it more specific? Let's try and break it down. Do not follow the ideas of others, but learn to listen to the voice within yourself. What I believe that means is that you should just not go with the crowd blindly. You should be aware of what's going on around you, the opinions of those around you, see what other people are doing, and then listen to what you think is the best course of action, where you wish to go, rather than just blindly following everyone because it's the newest craze or the latest fad, but rather something that you wish to do within yourself that makes you happy. Not everything makes everyone happy. There are certain things that do not make you happy, and if you can avoid them, avoid them. If it's something you can't avoid, learn to deal with it in a calm way. This is where I believe the next bit is coming into play. Your body and mind will become clear, and you will realize the unity of all things. So, as I was sort of alluding to there, that you become more clear in yourself, how you feel, how more happy you are in yourself, the more enriched you are to do things. As I say, not everyone loves the same thing. We're all different. We may all be the same on the outside. We may have arms and legs and head, eyes, noses, mouths, stomachs, intestine tracts, skeleton frames, but we are all individuals, even though we are the same. We are a unity of all those things, as this person has said. A unity of all things, whether that be night and day, sun, rain, happiness, sadness, anger, joy. We are all these things, united and more. We are one with them, as long as we learn to accept everything, listen to all, but make the decision ourselves, not be influenced by others, by what is current, by the opinions of others. Like, for example, ever heard expression, blue is the new black, you must wear blue, or black is the new blue, you must wear black? That is an opinion, an idea of others. You do not have to listen to it. You do not have to follow it. In fact, sometimes don't follow it, because in 6 months' time or 2 weeks' time, it will be the other way around again. Fashion is a continuously evolving door, by the way. Just because something's new on the market and it's like, yeah, that looks awesome, doesn't mean that you have to get it unless you want to, after you've made your mind up of listening to all the opinions, not just those in the sales floor, Not just those adverts on TV. Look at this new thing. You must get it. It is a brand spanking new thing. It is essential to your life. No. Don't listen to it. Step back from the situation. Still keep an open mind about it. But if you want to get that, look at it properly. Do your research. Just because it's shiny and new doesn't mean that it's the best thing there is. There could be something that isn't so new, which is better. Or from a different manufacturer, which is cheaper. And does the same thing. If we look with an open mind, but listen to ourselves, we will achieve so much more. Alright, I hope that you enjoyed this. Please do put in the comments what you think this saying means to you, because it is to you, not just my opinion, but your opinion of it. Until next time, this is Dave. Knowledge is power. We must use it wisely.